Howdy, and welcome to another video. What we're going to go over this time is Lana, the 2013 Scion FR-S in the color Hot Lava. As I've shown a few times, she is in an accident at around 20,000 miles and had some work done at a shop in near San Antonio. When I got the car back, seemed fine. It has not aged well paint quality wise. So what I'm going to do is show you real quick what the issues are, and then we're going to talk about right after what will hopefully happen. So let's get a quick view on those. So pardon the wind noise, but here we are, and you can see some of the issues right away. First off, I don't know if camera will pick it up, but you can see a definite color difference between the two. But it is a lot more obvious right here. You can see. You can also see problem right there. And I think this gives you the best sign of the issue between the two. So there's that. Hell, you can even see it there. So all the paint that shop did has failed, pretty much. I mean, you got things coming up all over the place. You can see here, more paint coming up, more here. So yeah. It turns out my Geico insurance plan that had this work done, it has a lifetime warranty on the repairs. I only learned this recently. I don't know how I didn't know that or pay attention. So I called them and I was able to get it set up that I'm taking the car in a couple days. This is currently November 6th. Taking it in on Wednesday to get an estimate, like get them to look at it, see, shouldn't cost me anything to fix the paint. So you get a look. But while it's in, the things that aren't covered, I'm also looking at having those fixed. You know, paint chips. I think I have some little dents. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but there's some right in there. Little ding right there. Also, one of the grandkids decided to right into my, oh wait, there we go, right into my car with a rock. So we're going to find out how she comes back, and also hopefully in the process, if they have to take the lights out for anything, I might ask them to find different ones I have. Just some little imperfections on this side. The goal is to see if, you know, they'll obviously repair the issues from this paint, but then also maybe get her fully touched up. With that said, we'll be back with hopefully some good results. Hooray! Few months have passed, or month and a half, and she's back and looking a crap ton better. So we're going to discuss, or just give a quick little close-up look. Her paint is back to normal. Well, mostly, because they fixed this. I don't know if it'll show up in camera, but this is still original, so slight discolor, but nothing major. No more fading color. Nothing. No more paint coming up. So yeah. If you have a problem with work that has been done on your car after a wreck, see if you have warranty on it. With that, I also had them put in some taillights that I cleaned up. Looks a lot better. Very, very nice. But with that, it's still kind of winter. And I've got a crap ton of parts that I haven't got around to putting on the car. So let's start with these. We also have those. They're old and they're just blah. So let's replace those too. And boom, there we go. Let's get this off. Maybe. There we go. Yes, I like them. I like them a lot. Anyway, let's get back to a couple more little things that she needs. We also have just a little bit of interior change related activities. Let's get that done. And done. Everything looks a little better. Got everything, almost everything purple. You got the steering wheel that I will be addressing here shortly. Shifter, just because it's got the gray on it, we need to remove that. And not sure if I mentioned, but I got mud flaps. And here we got some Toyota genuine goodies, as far as I understand. New shifter, all black, with part number SU003-0083. Feels about the same weight as the stock shifter, or the original, so I'm happy with that. And, well, anyway, part number SU003-04253. There we go. It is out. I was going to paint the other one orange, but I kind of decided I didn't want too much of the orange scattered around, so I'm happy with that being black. And I was, again, going to paint the silver orange on the other one, but I decided an all black one sounded good. And the battery decided to die. Not sure where the video is going to be cut off prior to this, but thanks for watching. She's got a nice little tiny overhaul, or tiny update, something or other. Either way, have a good day. Bye-bye.